Welcome, dear listeners, pool enthusiasts, and lovers of aquatic relaxation. Today, let's dive together into the world of absolute cleanliness with the latest technological gem, the Dolphin Nautilus Pool Vacuum Robot. Get ready to be dazzled by revolutionary performance because this is not just a vacuum. It's an exceptional pool experience with every dive. Click the link in the description to learn more about its unique features, see the thousands of reviews left by satisfied customers, and order yours now. The Dolphin Nautilus CC is the ideal companion for all above-ground pool owners up to 10 meters in length. Whether you are a family relaxation enthusiast or a water sports lover, this vacuum robot offers a practical and effective solution to keep your pool spotless with minimal effort. Imagine the sun shining, the azure sky, and your pool sparkling clean without you having to lift a finger. This is the promise of the Dolphin Nautilus CC, the holy grail of pool maintenance. This technological marvel stands out for its ability to climb walls with remarkable agility, reaching every corner to provide you with a pool of crystal clear clarity. That's not all. The active scrubbing brush of the Dolphin, like a cleaning knife, activates with impressive power, eliminating embedded impurities from the floor and walls of your pool. No more exhausting chores, as each pass of the Dolphin Nautilus CC transforms your oasis into a pristine place of relaxation and enjoyment. Additionally, thanks to its fine filter basket, the easy water access ensures hassle-free maintenance. The fine filters act as guardians, removing all debris to provide you with water of unmatched purity. Say goodbye to maintenance worries, as the Dolphin Nautilus CC ensures the constant cleanliness of your pool throughout the year. Don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to see the thousands of customer reviews attesting to its impressive quality and to order yours at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. Simplicity is key, and that's exactly what the plug-and-play system of the Dolphin offers. Plug it in, drop it into your pool, turn on the power, and there you go. In just 2 hours, your pool will shine like never before. Let the Dolphin take the reins of maintenance. Free yourself from constraints and rediscover the pleasure of your aquatic space. It is important to know that Dolphin pool cleaners have a global reputation of over 35 years, ensuring unmatched performance, durability, and savings. These cleaning masters allow you to focus on what matters in life. Enjoy your pool with family and friends. But wait, dear listeners, there's more. The all-new Dolphin Nautilus with CleverClean takes the experience to the next level. With its innovative design and advanced cleaning system, this cleaner becomes the ultimate standard for pools up to 40 feet long. Thanks to CleverClean technology, your pool is systematically scanned, ensuring effective cleaning regardless of the shape of its surface. Imagine a world where your pool cleans itself automatically according to your preferences. The Dolphin Nautilus with CleverClean makes this dream a reality with its weekly timer function, allowing you to set scheduled cycles for flawless cleanliness. These active brushes rotate twice as fast as normal, effectively removing even the most stubborn contaminants. And the best part is that this product is available at the best price by clicking the link in the description. But you will also find thousands of customer reviews to help you make your decision. Ease of use is truly at the heart of the Dolphin Nautilus design with CleverClean. Quick access to large filter baskets, a quick water release system for lightweight transport, and anti-tangle algorithms to prevent tangled cables. All of this, combined with minimal energy consumption, makes the Dolphin Nautilus with CleverClean the obvious choice for smart and economical cleaning. Now, let's recap the advantages as well as the disadvantages. Advantage number 1, effective cleaning. This cleaner excels at cleaning pools up to 10 meters long, ensuring exceptional cleanliness with every use. Advantage number 2, its wall climbing ability. Its remarkable capacity to climb walls, combined with an active scrubbing brush, ensures a thorough cleaning regardless of the type or shape of your pool. Advantage number 3, fine and easily accessible filtration. The filter basket is finally easily accessible in water and effectively removes debris for crystal clear water with hassle-free maintenance. Advantage number 4, plug and play. Thanks to its plug and play system, using the Dolphin is a breeze. Just plug it in, drop it in, turn it on, and enjoy a spotless pool in just 2 hours. Advantage number 5, CleverClean technology. The upgraded model offers intelligent navigation suitable for all pool shapes. Thanks to CleverClean technology, the weekly timer function allows for optimal optimization. Now let's move on to a few disadvantages. The first disadvantage is the weight. Weighing 14 lbs, the Dolphin Nautilus CC can be slightly heavy to handle for some people, although its performance more than makes up for this minor drawback. Additionally, once it is in your pool, you don't necessarily need to touch it again. Disadvantage number 2, pool length limitation. The standard model is ideal for pools up to 10 meters long, but it may be limited for larger pools. In conclusion, despite a few minor drawbacks, the advantages of the Dolphin Nautilus CC, such as its cleaning power, ease of use, and advanced technology, make it a wise choice for those seeking a pristine pool with minimal effort. Don't miss the opportunity to have your own pool cleaning assistant. Fully enjoy your oasis without the worry of maintenance. So, dear listeners, don't wait any longer. Click on the link in the description to order your Dolphin Nautilus CC at the best price. Discover thousands of satisfied customer reviews and let the magic of cleanliness settle into your aquatic life. The pool of your dreams is just a click away. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you very soon.